Chevrolet, at some point you will see this message on the screen. So in this situation, your gas pedal disengages with the engine. So what you have to do is switch off the engine and switch on after 5 minutes. I'll show you which part needs to be replaced to get rid of this message. This is Chevy Cruze 2014. There is a part called throttle body, and that's the part that needs to be replaced. I'll show you where it is. So this is the part that needs to be replaced in order to get rid of this message. I got this part from Amazon because on the dealership I checked, they were selling it 3 times higher the price I got from the Amazon. So check with your local dealership. If they can give you a good price, go for it. Otherwise you can order from Amazon. So it's been 10 months now since I changed that part and nothing happened. My car is going very smooth.